to sing a song, and this song is for you, Colors of the Wind. You think you want whatever land you land on. The earth is just a dead thing you can claim. But I know every rock and tree and creature has a life, has a spirit, has a name. You think the only people who are people are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you'll learn things you'll never know, you never know. Have you ever heard a wolf cry to the blue calm moon, or asked the grinning about God why he grieved? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountains? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Come round the hidden pine trails of the forest. Come taste the sun sweet berries of the earth. Come rolling all the riches all around you, and for once never wonder what they were. The rainstorms and the river are my brothers. The heron and the otter are my friends, and we are all connected to each other in a circle, in a hoop that never ends. Have you ever heard a wolf cry to the blue calm moon, or let the eagle tell you where he's been? Can you sing with all the voices on the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? How high does the sycamore grow? If you cut it down, then you'll never know. And you'll never hear a wolf cry to the blue calm moon, for whether we are white or copper skin, we need to sing with all the voices of the mountains. We need to paint with all the colors of the wind. You can own the earth and still all you own is earth until you can paint with all the colors of the wind. Love it.